Hello kids, today we will play Guess the counting for 1 to 10. How many balloons? 1. How many balls? 2. How many stars? 3. How many watermelon? 4. How many tomatoes? 5. How many toffees? 6. How many trees? 7. How many potatoes? 8. How many cats? 9. How many parrots? 10. Great job, kids! You guessed the counting for 1 to 10 perfectly. See you in the next video. Bye bye.